All right, welcome to another edition of Bitcoin Billionaire. Hey, make sure to like the video if you like the content. And if you're brand new, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to make money trading crypto. Today, I will talk about how Bitcoin has crashed down. There was an official crash. And what will happen. I've got information that may interest you that might, there's no guarantee, that might predict that Bitcoin will go all the way up back to 56,000. So now I'm sure you want to hear about that, but in order for me to explain that to you, we got to go back in time. Here's an example in the year 2020 when Bitcoin also had a crash. And back in those days, Bitcoin was trading for a lot cheaper, which was around the mid-range of $10,000 for a long time. But it did crash in, March 2020, all the way down to 40,000. It was the same kind of scenario where Bitcoin crashed as a result of last year's news on the COVID launch. Okay, that's what happened. Bitcoin crashed all the way there. Now, I've got some interesting information that actually we are following a very similar pattern in 2021. Same situation, COVID news, right? If we go back to today, it seems that we are following a similar pattern that we followed back then. We have a crash and a rebound. So in order to show you what I mean, I copied. See, this is if we delete this, this is where we are right now, okay? And so I copied the year 2020 in March and pasted over, and I had to adjust it because obviously it was different prices. But you can see that it fits almost perfectly, okay? Like if you're going to move here, it's almost perfect. Look at that. You have this movement and a crash, and then a rebound, and it's going here. We know what's going to happen next. We're going to have some swing highs and a swing low. But here's the thing. It goes all the way back up if it follows this. And no pattern follows exactly every time. I can tell you that from experience. But it's possible that we go all the way back to 55,000. We're not going to make it back over this trend. It looks like that we're going to stay below it even. But it does look that even though we are going to stay below, we will be trending under for a while if we follow this pattern. And it looks like we will be rejected several times, okay, as we move forward. So this is an interesting pattern. It means that the next best trade you can make will be at around 45,000 right here, which I predicted was a strong support. But if you buy and hold here and you hold it, you could exit here, buy it again here, exit here, buy it again there, and exit there. So there is a lot of trades to be made. And so I wanted to show you that very quickly today because there is still hope that we will recover back up. And this will be a good buy time. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy here and I'm going to sell here. And so let's see if we continue to follow this pattern. So far, so good, right? Because if you look at it, we did go down today, right here, right? Let's delete this and show you what I mean, right? We went down and the pattern also says that we are going to go down. And now it says we're going to go swing up, swing I up here all the way to 50, right? This would be a good place to exit some of your trades at around 50,000. So, yeah. I'm going to put an alarm there right now. Okay, so when it goes there, I will know. And then put an alarm here. And then make sure I know when it goes there. And then what we'll do is we'll put a horizontal line. Make sure we follow the channel if you're not subscribed so you can get this kind of information because I'm consistently spending time doing research on how to win the game. And this is a game, guys. We are fighting the whales, whales who are manipulating Bitcoin price. And there is a way to win. Okay, there is a way to win. And so the way to win is to identify the patterns that they have. And everybody's got patterns. So let me share with you the patterns of success and how to beat the game. So subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.